Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we shall be looking on how to analyze news, how to read news. That is the fundamental analysis. If you agree with me, we have two types of analysis: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. And what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is all about trading news, important economic news, and all these news, they are being released on daily basis. Depends on the country and depends on their time. Depends on the country and depends on their time. Before we continue, if you are seeing this video for the very first time, please help me subscribe to this account, like and comment. My name is Lukman, and if you are seeing this video outside YouTube, if you are seeing this video on any social media outside this YouTube, please help me subscribe to this YouTube account. Please, this YouTube account, help me subscribe to this YouTube account. This is the account. This is the account on your screen. Help me subscribe to this account, please. Like and comment. Like I said, we shall be looking into the fundamental analysis, that is trading news, and how do we get the news? How do we analyze the news? We shall be going into it one after the other. The first step you need to do is to go into your forex factory. What does a forex factory? When you open the forex factory, you click on news. It will tell you what has happened in the past. Maybe what has happened 2 minutes ago, what has happened an hour ago, what has happened last week. It will give you what has happened in the past. You can see it. Then when you check on calendar, you click on calendar like this. When you check on calendar, you can put it on. If you put it on week, if you put it on weekly like this, as in next week. Because if I put it in last week, the news has already passed. Now put it on next week. If I put it on next week, okay, yes, this week we're already in a new week, which is today today, as at the time of recording this video, today is 21, and you can see the way it arranged the news for us, which is the news for like on the Monday 22nd. It said we have news on card. It's quite Canadian news from Canada. The CPI news, the three news is on from Canada, median CPI, trim CPI. Then on Thursday, Wednesday, which is 24, we have Australian dollar CPI news and the trim CPI from Australia. While on Thursday, June 25, we have employment change news and the US news, 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time, final GDP and core price index. These are the news on calendar. What the forex factory does is to analyze the news, position them ahead. But if you are new on forex factory, or this is the first time you are using forex factory, if you are not familiar with the forex factory, when you open your own forex factory, it will not look like this. It will not look like this. Is how it will look. This is how your forex factory will look if you are opening for the first time. This is how your forex factory will look. As you are seeing it, as in all this one that is being highlighted with yellow, it means that they are also news. The first one now, which is Monday June 22nd, CNY, that is China news. That is the news from China. We also have this news from New Zealand, Euro. But all those yellow ones, they are not high impact news. I said they are not high impact news. So in order to make the work more easier for you, you see this filter here. Here, you click it. Then all this one showing brown, yellow, and different color, you will remove them and now leave only the red, because the red signify high impact news. When you leave it with only red, you click apply filter like this. Are you seeing it? Everything has changed now. it has already filtered the unnecessary one, which are not high impact news. It has already filtered them out. I hope you are getting me now. It has already filtered them out, and there are some news you need to take very, very serious in each country. Number one, CPI news, employment, employment or unemployment. You need to take it serious. You also need to take interest rate news. You need to take it serious. Then GDP. These four news, they are very, very important. Like I said, CPI news, interest rate news, employment news, and GDP news. All these ones, they are very, very important. And if a country want to do election, for instance, maybe US want to do election, or there's an election in UK or Canada, it will also be highlighted here. It will be highlighted here. And if a president of a country want to speak, it will also be highlighted here. So, for instance, during election, if a country is about to go into an election, I will advise you to stay away from that peer. For instance, maybe US want to go to an election now. It's advisable stay away. Maybe 1-2 days to election, stay away from the US peer. Just wait and let the election be over. Hear the outcome of the election. The market go nowhere. Opportunity never fail, because if you are new to election news trading, the trade can be so volatile. It can go in any direction, because that is the uncertainty. We don't know whether the current president will win, and even if the current president, his own tenure has elapsed, you don't know whether his party will still win or another party. In case the president win, or in case the president lose, if another president come and it's not the same party, there might be a lot of change in policy. I hope you are getting me. There might be a lot of change in policy, and the trade can be so volatile then. So it's advisable, if the election is coming 2 days to the election, you stay away from the market. Wait till the result of the election is announced. And if election happen to be weekend, for instance, this is as at the time we're recording this show, this is June 21, 2026. For instance, let's say there's an election on Saturday now, which will be June 20th. So if there are going to be an election on Saturday, it's advisable that country that want to do election, don't carry their trade to the next week. Don't carry it over, because anything can happen during the weekend. Anything can, it's either the market go aggressively in your favor, or it go aggressively against you. And if you go aggressively against, you know what it means, because a huge loss in the market is very, very hard to recover. But if you follow all these little tips, there is a way to stay away from all those volatile news. Like I said, market go nowhere, and opportunity will never finish in market. So if you miss a particular setup, that does not mean you will not meet another good setup. Please, if you are deriving a value in this video, please help me subscribe to my account, like and comment. And if you are watching this video outside YouTube, if you are watching it on any social media outside YouTube, please help me subscribe to this account. This particular account, help me subscribe to this account, like and comment. And please, I don't want this video to be too long. There shall be a continuation of this video on how to read news, how to interpret the news, how to position yourself for the news, and how to take trade in line with the news. Like I said, please, if you are deriving a value from this video, help me subscribe to this account, like and comment. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comments. I will also respond to your question, please. And if you are watching this video outside any social media apart from YouTube, please show me love. Help me subscribe to this account, like and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.